Giles Bryant from All You Need Superfoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make an incredibly delicious pumpkin pie. Yeah, you might still have some pumpkins around. This is one of the ones that we've grown here at All You Need HQ, and these are absolutely delicious. So there's two parts to it. There's going to be making the pastry, shall we call it, the base, and then there's going to be making the topping, and these are absolutely amazing. So let's get to it, shall we? So I've got my just melted here 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. All right, I'm going to put that in the bowl. Put it in my mixing bowl. Okay, what have we got then? We've got some self-raising flour. This is gluten-free, and I reckon I'm going to have about half a cup. All right. Now, when I make things, I'm not too precise, but if you want to be precise, we could say it's going to be half a cup, and we're going to go half a cup of oats. All right. Yes, we are indeed, and we're going to add to it. I've got some over here. This is some mixed spice. Oh, we love a bit of that, and I'm going to do a quarter of a cup. You can see my scientific measurements here. A quarter of a cup of coconut sugar, and we're going to mix all this together. All right. Now this is going to be our effectively like our pastry base. This is going to make 4, and we're going to add some water to it. Okay, until we get a nice consistency that we can. Oh, this smells amazing, it really does. Now, one little trick as well, just to help it, is a banana. We're going to mash a banana into there, because a banana helps it to stick, as does the coconut oil. This is a vegan recipe, so we're not using any egg. We're not bothering with any aquafaba or chickpea juice or anything like that. You really don't need to. But what I'm doing here is getting this as a consistency. So I'm mashing that banana in. Oh, it smells amazing. Really does. And this is going to be like a pastry. Oops. Going to be like effectively a pastry base. So you just need to get it so it's a consistency. We're getting there. That's looking good. Okay. I reckon that's going to be pretty good for our base. All right. Pumpkin, move out the way for a minute. Okay. So we're going to make 4 pies today. I've got this little tray here. So I'm going to use a bit of coconut oil just to grease it. Is that the word we use? Grease? Maybe it is. There we go. You know, it might, because it's not, this isn't a big thing, so we might actually get 6 out of this. Let's have a look, shall we? Okay. So, what we're going to do is we're going to get our mixture here, and we're going to smooth it in, alright, like a little cupcake. Like a little cupcake, that's it. So, I put them in here first. Yeah, it's going to be great. Oh, pumpkin pie. Who doesn't like a pumpkin pie out there? Okay, absolutely. A pumpkin pie, 100%. And just got a guest coming in now. In.
Wow, what are you making, Giles?
Well, what I'm making here is I'm making All You Need Superfoods pumpkin pie.
Wow, that looks incredible. I'm really excited to try some of that.
You're going to try it later on, absolutely.
Amazing, well done.
Yep, okay, there we go. The boss popping in. So what we're going to do here is we're going to just manipulate the mixture a little bit in here. I think I was probably alright for about 6 little pies here. Okay, and this is like a little pastry. with oats and flour and coconut sugar and a bit of oil and a bit of water. We used that mixed spice, didn't we? Oh, this is going to be amazing. Oh, these little pies, these little tartlets. A little bit more in that one. Okay. Voila. Right, I'm going to put these in the oven at 180, okay, for 15 minutes. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so that is part one. They are in the oven. Now part two. Whoa, look at this big boy. Absolutely. Pumpkins are incredible, do you know, because that'll store throughout the whole winter. And we grew loads of them here at All You Need HQ. So we're going to cut it. Now, the thing is, there's an old saying, a sharp knife is a safe knife, right? So we're gonna sharpen this knife here. There we go. Shall we see if that's worked at all? Cut this pumpkin up. Okay. Oh, look at this pumpkin. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. That is a knife through butter, isn't it? Look at that. Absolutely amazing. And what we're going to do here, guys, is we are going to cook down some pumpkin. Alright? We're going to puree some pumpkin. So we're going to put a cup of boiling water in there. And let's see if we can get in with the knife. Like I say, always cut down. And always keep your hand out the way with a sharp knife. Look at that, everyone. Look at that, those pumpkin seeds, we can eat them as well. We won't put them in this actual recipe. Okay, so we're getting our pumpkin chunks. We'll deal with that bit later, alright? And we are going to puree these up. So first of all we need to boil the pumpkin. Oh, it's going to be absolutely delicious. And when you bake it, oh, alright, there we go. So that is a cup of pumpkin going in there, and we're going to let that boil now. Oh look, it's found an apple. Might as well put that in as well. Some apple. Because it goes well with the pumpkin, doesn't it? Nice bit of apple. And we've got that nice flavouring on the bottom of our base with the mixed spice. So a little bit of apple there, going in there. And we're going to boil that down, see you in a minute. The base is cooking nicely there of our pumpkin pie. And so what we've got here, let's just check, yep, okay, that's looking good. So basically what you want to have with this pumpkin mix is you want to have it, so you've just got, obviously all the pumpkin is cooked. So we're just going to test that by, yeah, that's all cooked. It doesn't take too long to cook pumpkin when you boil it up like that. That's excellent. So once it's cooked, you're going to mash it up. Mash it all up. Mash it all up. And I've got some sweetened coconut milk here. Sweetened coconut milk. I'm going to add 2 big spoons of that. You could just add some more coconut sugar if you want. And then of course we're going to add nice big tablespoon. All you need superfoods. Stir that in. Oh! is absolutely amazing. Okay. Check on our pies, shall we? Here we go, everyone. Now, these have been in the oven for 20 minutes. Oh, they smell amazing. Oh, that pumpkin mix smells amazing. And I'm going to spoon some of this into each pie. Made a little bit more pumpkin mix than I needed, but that's not going to go to waste. Put it in a curry later tonight or something. Or I might make some more pies if these go down well with the all you need team. So I'm spooning this in here. Just a little tartlet, little pie. Now that is already cooked. The base is nicely cooked, but when you cook up that just a little bit, just to heat that up, that pie. So we're going to put that back in the oven at 180. Let's give it for another, we'll just see, I reckon another 8 minutes. But they've had another 8 minutes, these pumpkin pies, and they look absolutely amazing. But there is nothing like a hot cake, but it's always good to let it cool first. Okay, so we've left them for about 5 minutes, and I couldn't actually, it just smells so good. So what I've got is a nice sharp knife here. I'm just easing them round. That's why we put that coconut oil in. Smells amazing. Oh my god. Right, okay. So that was that stage. And now, hopefully, with my spoon, oh yeah, we're living the dream. Oh. Can you see that there? Oh my god. It smells like the best pumpkin pie I've actually ever smelt in my life. Am I biased? Yes. Do I care? No. And we've got the All You Need team working so hard for us today at HQ. But just to have a pumpkin pie, a warm pumpkin pie. Ta-da!